Hello. Welcome to our presentation of the JCOM1939 Monitor Software for Windows. This video provides a brief overview without delving into too much detail to give you a general idea of the program's capabilities. For further details, please visit our website at JCOM1939.com, where you can find all the necessary information in writing, as well as downloads and information about the required hardware components. You launch the software the same way you would any other program in Windows, for instance, by double-clicking on the icon on the desktop. We assume that one of our J1939 gateways is connected to a USB port on your PC. As indicated at the top of the window, we currently use version 4.00. Upgrades and extensions are in progress, and the version number will increase accordingly. The first step involves selecting the COM port associated with the gateway. Look for the Silicon Labs entry, which, in this example, is at COM port 4. Your computer may assign a different COM port, but the default is COM port 4. The program will remember the last COM port setting, eliminating the need for this step in future sessions. To initiate communication with the gateway, click on Start COM. The heartbeat indicator shows that the communication is established. Please be aware that the gateway will only pass J1939 PGNs if you have set a filter. Go to the filter section, and for the first test, we click on Pass All. If you are connected to a J1939 network, you should be able to see the data traffic right away. In our example, we start the PCAN software, which controls a PCAN module. The module is connected to our gateway via the CAN high and CAN low wires. We have set up 3 PGNs in the software, FEF2, FEF5, and FF08. They were randomly chosen for test purposes. As you can see here, the PGNs are embedded in a larger data frame. The 18 hex indicates a priority of 6, while the 80 hex and 88 hex indicate the node addresses. All 3 PGNs are assigned frequencies, 200 milliseconds and 1000 milliseconds. By default, the data is displayed in PGN view mode, showing the 3 PGNs, the source and destination addresses, and the associated data. Switching to PGN trace mode will display the PGNs individually as they occur, which helps monitor specific PGNs and their data. However, it may be challenging to follow data traffic at high bus loads. To transmit PGNs into the network, we need to assign the gateway a node address. Go to the ECU Setup section and click ECU Simulation Mode. Then, assign a node address. For example, we will use address 129, which is 81 hex. Click on the Claim Address command button. The address is updated on the screen. Looking at the PCAN software, you can see the address claim message. Now, let's create a PGN for transmission over the network. Proceed to the Transmit section. In this example, we will use PGN 65280 to send a broadcast message to all nodes by transmitting it to node 255. We use a frequency of 500 milliseconds. Now, we enter the data. Click the Save button, and the message will appear in the data view list and the PCAN software. To set up a PGN without a frequency, we use PGN 65281 without assigning a frequency. Click Save and transmit the PGN when needed by selecting it in the PGN list and clicking Transmit. This was just a brief overview of the functionality. The software offers much more than just receiving and transmitting, and we will post more videos on this channel. Meanwhile, to explore the whole set of capabilities, please read the user manual at JCOM1939.com.